Hello learners. Today in this video we are going to learn 8th standard science chapter number 5 inside the atom. We have seen that matter is made up of molecules. Molecules are formed from atoms. Effectively, an atom is the smallest unit of matter. Before we get started, let's take a look at the agenda. In this session, the first module is Rutherford's nuclear model of atom, where we will acquaint ourselves with Rutherford's scattering experiment, followed by next module Rutherford's atomic model. In this session, we will get familiar with vocabulary words like alpha particles, radioactive elements, and deflection. Rutherford studied the inside of atom by his celebrated scattering experiment. Rutherford took a very thin gold foil of thickness 10 raised to minus 4 millimeter and bombarded it with a positive charge alpha particles emitted by a radioactive element. Radioactive elements are unstable isotopes that releases subatomic particles. Example of radioactive elements are uranium, radium, thorium, etc. Now let's study about Rutherford's scattering experiment. Alpha particles emitted by radioactive elements bear a positive charge. Rutherford bombarded alpha particles through a very thin gold foil. He observed alpha particles by means of a fluorescent screen around the gold foil. Rutherford unexpectedly found that most of the alpha particles went straight through the foil. A small number of alpha particles get deflected from the original path through a small angle. A still smaller number of alpha particles get deflected through a large angle, and surprisingly, one alpha particle out of 20,000 bounces back in the direction opposite to the original path. Let's see the observations of the experiment of scattering of alpha particles. It was expected that the alpha particles will get reflected from the gold foil if the positively charged mass were evenly distributed inside the atoms. Unexpectedly, most of the alpha particles went straight through the foil. A small number of alpha particles get deflected from the original path through a small angle. A still small number of alpha particles get deflected through a larger angle, and surprisingly, one alpha particle out of 20,000 bounced back in the direction opposite to the original path. On the basis of the alpha particle experiment, the following conclusions were drawn by Rutherford. First conclusion: there is a positively charged nucleus at the center of an atom. Almost the entire mass of the atom is concentrated in the nucleus. Negatively charged particles called electrons revolve around the nucleus. The total negative charge on all the electron is equal to the positive charge on the nucleus. As the opposite charges are balanced, the atom is electrically neutral. There is an empty space between the revolving electron and the atomic nucleus. In 1911, Rutherford proposed that atom consists of protons and neutrons in a small dense nucleus surrounded by a cloud of orbiting electrons. This model was later revised by Niels Bohr to reflect quantum theory. So let's summarize what we have learned in this session. Students got familiar with Rutherford's scattering experiment and Rutherford's atomic model. This is all for today's session. Thank you.